2024 People's Choice Awards winners. Title: 2024 People's Choice Awards winners recap. Disclaimer: images and videos are for reference only. Take a virtual stroll through the highlights of the 2024 People's Choice Awards. Join us as we celebrate the winners across various categories. Please note that the images and videos used in this video are for reference purposes only. Congratulations to all the winners. Taylor Swift, Travis Kelce, Ice Spice, Jennifer Aniston, Billie Eilish, and others won awards at the 2024 People's Choice Awards. The awards, hosted by Simu Liu, expanded to 45 categories and included movies, music, television, and pop culture. Barbie won the top movie prize, while Grey's Anatomy was voted TV Show of the Year. Other notable winners included Taylor Swift, Travis Kelce, Ice Spice, Beyoncé, Jennifer Aniston, Pedro, Pascal, and more. Adam Sandler accepted the People's Icon Award, while Lenny Kravitz received the Music Icon Award for a career-spanning performance. The awards also recognize the Comedy Movies of the Year, the Drama Movies of the Year, and the Male Movie Stars of the Year. The awards also honor the Female Movie Stars of the Year, including Florence Pugh, Halle Bailey, Jennifer Lawrence, and more. 2024 People's Choice Awards, Drama, Comedy, and Reality Shows. Drama Movie Star of the Year: Cillian Murphy, Oppenheimer. Julia Roberts, Leave the World Behind. Fantasia Barrino, The Color Purple. Florence Pugh, Oppenheimer. Jacob Elordi, Priscilla. Jennifer Ortega, Scream Vi. Leonardo DiCaprio, Killers of the Flower Moon. Michael B. Jordan, Creed 3. Movie Performance of the Year: America Ferrera, Barbie. Charles Melton, May-December. Daniel L. Brooks, The Color Purple. Jacob Elordi, Saltburn. Melissa McCarthy, The Little Mermaid. Natalie Portman, May-December. Simu Liu, Barbie. Viola Davis, Air. TV Show of the Year: Grey's Anatomy. Law and Order, Special Victims Unit. Only Murders in the Building. Saturday Night Live. Ted Lasso, The Bear. The Last of Us. Vanderpump Rules. The Morning Show. Sci-fi/fantasy show of the year: Ahsoka. American Horror Story, Delicate. Black Mirror. Ghosts. Loki. Secret Invasion. The Mandalorian, The Witcher. Reality Show of the Year: 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After? Below Deck. Jersey Shore Family Vacation. Selling Sunset. The Kardashians. The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. The Real Housewives of New Jersey. Vanderpump Rules. Competition Show of the Year: America's Got Talent. American Idol. Big Brother. Dancing with the Stars. RuPaul's Drag Race. Survivor. Squid Game, The Challenge. The Voice. Binge-worthy Show of the Year: Beef. Citadel. Jury Duty. Love is Blind. Queen Charlotte, A Bridgerton Story. The Crown. Competition Contestant of the Year: Anitra. RuPaul's Drag Race. Dancing with the Stars. Charity Lawson. Teresa Nist. Iam Tongi. Kiki Palmer. That's My Jam. RuPaul's Drag Race. Xochitl Gomez. 2024 People's Choice Awards, 2024. Daytime Talk Show of the Year: Good Morning America, Live with Kelly and Mark. The Drew Barrymore Show. The Jennifer Hudson Show. The Kelly Clarkson Show. The View Today. Nighttime Talk Show of the Year: Heart to Heart. The View Today. The Daily Show. The Late Show with Stephen Colbert. The Tonight Show. Watch What Happens Live with Andy Cohen. Host of the Year: Gordon Ramsay, Hell's Kitchen. Jimmy Fallon, That's My Jam. Nick Cannon, The Masked Singer. Padma Lakshmi, Top Chef. RuPaul, RuPaul's Drag Race. Ryan Seacrest, American Idol. Steve Harvey, Celebrity Family Feud. Terry Crews, America's Got Talent. Music: Bad Bunny, Drake, Jack Harlow, Jungkook, Morgan Wallen, Post Malone, The Weeknd. Doja Cat, Carl Glennie Wilson, Miley Cyrus, Nicki Minaj, Olivia Rodrigo, Taylor Swift. Male Country Artist of the Year, Chris Stapleton, Cody Johnson, Holly Roll, Kane Brown, Morgan Wallen, Zach Bryan. Female Country Artist of the Year, Ashley McBride, Carly Pearce, Carrie Underwood, Gabby Barrett, Kelsey Ballerini, Lorraine Wilson. Male Latin Artist of the Year, Bad Bunny, Bizarrap, Fade, Manuel Turizo, Lima, Peso Pluma, Rauw Alejandro Ozuna. Pop Artist of the Year, Billie Eilish, Doja Cat, Dua Lipa, Jungkook, Miley Cyrus, Olivia Rodrigo, Tate McRae, Taylor Swift. Hip Hop Artist of the Year, Cardi B, Drake, Future, Jack Harlow, Lorado, Nicki Minaj. R&B Artist of the Year, Brent Faiyaz, Janelle Monáe, Usher, Victoria Monet. New Artist of the Year, Coi Leray, Jelly Roll, Jungkook, Noah Khan, Peso Pluma, Pink Pantheress, Steven Sanchez. Group/Duo of the Year, Dan and Shay, Grupo Frontera, Jonas Brothers, Old Dominion, Paramore, Stray Kids. Song of the Year, Dance the Night, Dua Lipa, Fast Car, Flowers, Miley Cyrus, Fuck You Mean, Gunna, Greedy, Tate McRae, Last Night, Morgan Wallen. Anyone But You. Action Movie Star of the Year, Rachel Zegler. Album of the Year, Endless Summer Vacation, Miley Cyrus, Getting Old, Luke Combs, Guts, Olivia Rodrigo. Collaboration Song of the Year, All My Life, Lil Durk, Barbie World, Nicki Minaj and Ice Spice with Aqua. Concert Tour of the Year, Plus Equals Divided by X Tour, Ed Sheeran, Coldplay, Music of the Spheres World Tour, Love on Tour, Harry Styles, Luke Combs World Tour, Morgan Wallen. Pop Culture. Social Celebrity of the Year, Britney Spears, Dwayne Johnson, Kim Kardashian, Kylie Jenner, Megan Thee Stallion, Nicki Minaj, Selena Gomez. Comedy Act of the Year, Baby J, John Mulaney, God Loves Me, Wanda Sykes. Athlete of the Year, Coco Gauff, Giannis Antetokounmpo, LeBron James, Lionel Messi, Sabrina Ionescu, Simone Biles, Stephen Curry, Travis Kelce.